So on the main climbing frame platform, we've currently got ladders on one side, bridge on the other, slide on the third, and on the fourth, at the moment, just a sheer drop. Perfect. Leave it like that. Makes sense, makes sense. Next, we were thinking about monkey bars. To use them, you do need the upper body strength of, if not an Olympian, certainly a keen amateur gymnast. All right, so 2 sets of them. Absolutely. Oh, and you probably saw on the designs, we thought it might be quite nice to put little metal sunflowers on either side of the park with little holes in the middle for the children to speak into. Oh, so they can talk to one another. You'd think that, wouldn't you? But no, these won't be connected. So the kids are just like shouting into the void. Exactly. Yeah, that's good. And finally, the big slide. We thought we'd put that at the height that's just out of reach of the average nervous parent. Love it. We could make that out of a metal that's freezing in the winter but scalding in the summer. As long as there's a nice dip at the bottom for dirty water to pool in, make it out of what you like.